Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain. Alhamdulillah, we meet again tonight for the follow up of our previous meeting about our plan on three agendas. And the first agenda is about the safety, and number 2 is about the disabled friendly, and number 3 about the program of eco-friendly. Okay. Last time we have make a proposal from our safety officer Shakira, and then from maintenance officer Farah, and from training officer Hanafi. Okay, we have planned last time I remember for the safety installing fire extinguisher at least, and then Farah making ramp, and Hanafi make a recycling program. Okay, today we will discuss further to follow up and any feedback. What is the progress of the proposed plan? Okay. Firstly, I would like to invite safety officer Shakira to present her her proposal. Okay.
Assalamualaikum and good evening, everyone. Okay, so today I would like to inform the progress about our safety in our company. So the last time I already told 3 items for we to need to do in our company. The first thing is install CCTV for our company. So the progress for install CCTV, alhamdulillah, we already put many CCTV to protect our employee in this company from thief or anything. And the second thing is we provide fire alarm. So the fire alarm also already we already provide and already install to because this is basic, because we ever want to avoid anything happen like something burning in our company. The third thing is the provide about a fire extinguisher. So the fire extinguisher we provide around five fire extinguisher inside our company to prepare. This is for uh, what we call cost budgeting. So far this is the progress of this thing already provide, because this is very basic and needs to protect our employees. So alhamdulillah, this is part of for me. This item already I have in our company. Thank you.
Okay. So Shakira, so the work in progress currently, which one? CCTV, alarm, or fire extinguisher, or all of them?
Yeah, all of them.
All of them are work in progress.
Yes.
So Alhamdulillah, Shakira manage to make it happen. We are installing CCTV into the premise, and then the fire extinguishers. How many fire extinguishers, Shakira? Five fire extinguishers. Okay. Yes. Very good. Shakira, you need to alert because fire extinguishers got expiring date. From time to time, auditing will check the expiry date, so you must take care of that. Okay, and the last one is CCTV and fire alarm. Okay, I know that part is very costly. I hope our budget is okay. Okay, thanks to Shakira. Okay, now we go to the second agenda about the disabled friendly, about the OKU, orang kelainan upaya. How is the progress? I would like to invite maintenance officers, Farah, to report about the progress of the plan.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good evening, everybody. Okay, as I present last week regarding the facilities for disabled that we have agreed together is for five facilities. That one is special parking space. Second is wheelchair assistant. Third, ramp. Fourth is PWD toilet, and the lastly is special reserve seat for disabled. So for special parking space, I suggest that we provide at least 2 parking box. I have been touched with the contractor who involved come to make an action, and the cost of making a parking box is around 200 and 300, but I will discuss again to ask for the cheaper price, and I have 2 design to show to you. Can you see?
Okay.
Can you see?
So that is
Yeah.
for the parking slot.
This is for parking space.
In front of the premise.
And the in front of our shop.
Okay, because okay, of course must situated in front of the shop. So Farah, have you consult with
Yes.
Majlis Daerah about this parking space?
I will consult later, so I just consult with contractor first, and I will discuss with Majlis Daerah too.
Okay, what about other?
The second is wheelchair. So for this matter, I suggest we provide just 2 wheelchair, which I have made survey for each around 100 to 200, depend on quality what we want to choose. But the Shopee price more cheaper than we buy at pharmacy. So we can choose what quality that we want.
I think for the wheelchair, it's okay if we buy the basic one, not necessarily for the comfortable one. Just okay, just at least we got one. Okay, so
at least we have.
How much we buy? How much will it?
I check the average of the price of wheelchair around 100 to 200 lah. Is a basic.
So at least we buy one.
Okay.
So in progress.
Okay. Yes, in progress, but because it's cheap, so we can buy anytime.
Okay. How about the RAM? The RAM is very costly.
Yes, the RAM I just surveyed that we have 3 type of RAM. One is portable, right? Like ceramic that we can remove. Second, that we build by concrete it's too pricey lah, by concrete, and the third by wooden. So that RAM we need to more discuss or more survey, because it's take expensive budget.
I think okay if you if you survey for the lowest budget. Okay.
Yes, I have a three type. You can see one portable, second is concrete, and third is by wooden.
Okay, okay.
So we can choose lah for the cheaper one.
Okay, make sure
So
the lowest budget, but of course quality lah. Of course quality.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir, that's all. Farah.
For PWD toilet is also in progress because its cost is more expensive, so I have to survey more. And the lastly is special reserve seat. For this special reserve seat, I think we can make our own marking by making a label, so it's very economical.
Yes, yes.
So that's all from me. Then I will survey more for we get the lower price and good quality.
Okay. Alhamdulillah, we make a progress in this this disabled friendly plan. And okay, the last one from Hanafi, our training officer. How about the program for the trainee?
Okay. Good evening to everyone. My meeting. My name is Muhammad Hanafi bin Anwar. My number metric is J46044, and I will present my point. Implement a recycle program. The second, promote a paperless office. Last, support green window. Okay, about the implement recycle program. All computer cannot use and must recycle. Cannot just throw in the bin. And one step for the old computer, we just sell or give to important company to manage the electronic our own computer, because we cannot repair or not to use again. And so what this I want to tell about the safety to we office and have the more space from the all the computer or item land, and this can the support local organization to not use the item, all the item. Okay, the second I want to share promote paperless office. This is because not to more to use the paper. I like to tell this is we use the Microsoft and Google Drive, and we can save the budget, use the PDF to give the customer or in electronic by phone or computer. That for the example, I want to like when not use the paper, can save the ink or use the print to illustrate or to the sweat for the eco safety. Okay, the last one I want to share the support green window about the space company and have approved to safety and conduct research the vendor and this is your customer will like to the value or environment impact the company when they in the your shop, okay? And for example, support the window about organic to fair trend coffee provider. That's all I can share. What can use or not use for the 3 point. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Nafi. So the program take in place, the paperless program. The paperless program is, I think, is very economical program, less budget, without expending money. Okay, for that another program, we must rating again because about that computer.
Yes, our computer cannot use and must give the pro company to manage about the all computer because we cannot just tell or throw in the recycle bin.
Okay, thanks Hanafi. So okay, I want to conclude that this meeting is successful. First agenda from Shakira, the installation of CCTV, the fire alarm installation, and buying fire extinguishers in progress. About the the disabled friendly, the plan is still in serving for the best budget, and later consult with Majlis Daerah about the parking slot. And last one for Hanafi, okay, you must always consult to your trainee, what is their progression along in the company. Okay, Alhamdulillah, this meeting is successful. We would like to meet again in the near future to follow up again for this plan. Okay, I want to wrap this meeting with a good luck, and I end up this meeting with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you everyone.
Okay. Sebenarnya lupa lah.